Hi guys, today I'm sowing Johnny Jump Up viola seeds, and I'm also going to sow another kind of viola in some pansies. You can start your Johnny Jump Ups in the springtime if you want to, but here in Zone 6 in southern Ohio, they overwinter very well, so late summer and early fall is also a good time to plant them. If you live in Zone 5 or colder and you have planted them in the fall before, let me know how that worked out for you. I would love to hear about it, and it could be really useful to anybody else that's reading the comments. Violas and pansies both grow very nicely in the cool weather of spring and autumn. Most of them are technically perennials, but they tend to die out in the dog days of summer if you live somewhere that's hot, especially if you have them growing in full sun. I like to grow them in partial shade so that they last a little bit longer. You can start them in a seed tray if you want to, or peat pellets. I have done both of those before, but this time I'm going to try direct sowing them because I really just don't feel like messing with peat pellets and seed trays. These are the Johnny Jump Up seeds that I saved from my plants this summer. I also have these springtime cassis pansy seeds. Although pansies are cold tolerant to a degree, I find that violas are even more cold tolerant. But the back of the seed packet says that this particular pansy is very cold tolerant. So I guess we'll find out just how cold tolerant they are. I grew this variety earlier this year in the springtime, and it's really pretty. The pansies are purple and white. Some tend to be more white and less purple. Some tend to be more purple and less white, but they're all really, really pretty. And I'm also going to sow this mixed colors pack of viola seeds that I bought in the springtime. The first thing I'm doing is loosening up the soil so that it's a hospitable place for germinating seeds. Since viola and pansy seeds are teeny tiny, and I don't want them to accidentally get buried too deep in the cracks and crevices of the soil, I'm going to pre-water the soil just so that it settles a bit, and that should help. I have mixed all of the seeds together, and I have plenty of seeds here, so I'm just going to scatter them on the soil surface, and once they germinate, I'll thin them out. Usually when I plant teeny tiny seeds, I don't cover them up, but violas and pansies do like to germinate in darkness, so these do need covered with some soil. You don't want to put it on too thick, but you do have to cover them. I will keep you updated on these, and hopefully we'll even get some blooms this winter like I did last year. They're not going to bloom profusely in February or anything like that, but it's really cool to come outside and see any flowers in February. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.